Hello everyone! In this video we are going to be checking out some best travel makeup bags on Amazon. So let's start with the first one, which is Eachy Travel Makeup Bag. This flat makeup bag that moves as fast as you do. It opens flat so you can see all your makeup at once and then quickly scrunch things closed when you're ready to go. Custom metal zipper can make the makeup bag close more easy pulling, neat alignment. Do not ignore every detail the interior contains. A separate inner pocket can be partitioned storage cosmetics. Second one is Initial Makeup Bag. This spacious cosmetics case is designed with top and bottom storage compartments perfect for organizing essentials. There are 8 brush slippy pockets on the top compartment to fit different sizes of brushes. The clear plastic lining provides an easy clean surface. A big clear pocket in the main compartment that measures tank 7. It fits most eyeshadow palettes in normal size. Or you can just put any small items there without worrying that you can't find them. Third one is Eachy Travel Makeup Bag. This makeup bag provides ample space to fit all your makeup essentials and tools without any hassle. The main compartment comes with a divider, ensuring your cosmetics stay organized and are easy to access. This makeup organizer bag is every makeup lover's dream. A designated compartment for makeup brushes, keeping your brushes clean, organized, and within reach. High quality material. Crafted from durable and top-tier material, our large makeup bag is built to last and withstand the rigors of travel and daily use. Multiple compartments cater to different storage requests, allowing you to segregate your items conveniently. Say goodbye to clutter with Eachy Makeup Bag. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe our channel.